Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face or editing for hours? In this video, I'll show you how to use free AI tools to create and monetize YouTube content, fast and easy. Here's the plan. We'll go from idea to monetized content using AI. Whether you want to create faceless videos, animations, or voiceover shorts, AI can do most of the work for you. Step 1. Start by picking a niche. Use ChatGPT or Google Trends to brainstorm popular, evergreen topics like health tips, finance facts, or bedtime stories for kids. Step 2. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to write your script. Just type something like, "Write a YouTube script about top 5 productivity hacks," and boom, your content is ready. Step 3. Generate voiceover. Don't want to record your voice? Use AI voice tools like 11 Labs or Play.ht. Paste your script, choose a voice, and download the audio. Step 4. Create the video. Next, generate your visuals. Tools like Pictory, Canva, or CapCut use AI to turn scripts into full videos using stock footage, subtitles, and more. Step 5. Add background music and upload. Add free music using YouTube Audio Library or AI-generated tunes from SoundDraw. Then upload everything via YouTube Studio. Step 6. Optimize and monetize. To grow and monetize faster, use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find keywords and optimize your titles and tags. Once you reach 500 subs and 3,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. Extra tip. Try YouTube Shorts. They grow faster and are easier to make. Other monetization option. You can also earn from affiliate links, merch, or sponsored content. Add links in your video description and turn views into income. And that's it. AI makes YouTube success easier than ever. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on any of the tools we used today. Thank you.